Hi everyone, myself Kapil Saman and I am from Project Batch. Today's date is 9 January 2024. Today we are discuss about the features of the Java programming language. Before the we discuss what is the Java language and then we move the features of Java programming language. Java is the object oriented programming language developed by the developed by James Gosling in the year of 1995. The first version of Java is released in 1995. Java language mostly used for develop mobile application, desktop application, and the gaming application. Let's move on the features of the Java programming language. Uh, Following are the features of Java programming language. Java is a simple. First feature is a simple. Second one is the platform independent. Third one is the interpreter. Four is the object oriented. Five is the secure. Seven is the portable. Uh, Eight one is the easy to use. Simple. First one is the simple. Java is a simple programming language that is developed by James Gosling. Java is simple because Java is simple because Java syntax is easy as compared to other programming language like C, C++, Python, etc. And Java 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 can easily learn by the beginners. Second feature is platform independent. Java is a platform independent programming language because Java compiler convert the source code into bytecode, and that bytes codes easily used in all operating systems like Mac, Windows, Linux operating system. The Java compiler converts the source codes into bytecode, and the JIT just-in-time compiler and interpreter convert that bytecode into machine codes, and that bytes code easily used on all operating system. Third feature is interpreter. Java is the interpreter programming language because it is executes its code into line by line. Uh, in the interpreter, there are JIT, just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler is present. The just-in-time compiler execute code line by line. Third one is the secure. Java is not fully the fourth feature is secure. Java is not fully secure, but it is secure rather than all other programming language uh, like Python, C, C++. Java is mostly introduced for its security because it is create a secure application. Five features is easy to use. Java programming language is easy to use for the beginners because the Java developers that's language develop for the easy to use. That syntax of the Java programming language is easy for the beginners. uh, for the beginners Five features is the portable. Java is a portable programming language. Portable means it is we can use it is we can use Java bytecode in uh, bytecode in all operating system. Thank you guys.